Relatively hard outside. I don't know if you can really tell. But here's open the door so you can hear it. Can you see it? Oh, it's like coming this way. Anyways, so I was gonna go outside and I was going to set my computer up so where you can see me. I'm gonna actually take my earrings out because they're feather earrings and I don't want them to get ruined. Oh, it's storming so bad. I really want to go outside. That's my voice that I use when I get really excited. Kind of sound like a man. Anyways, as I take out my earrings, I wish it wasn't on black and white. I wish I had known that it was black and white before I started recording. But they're these cute little feather earrings. They're brown. And I'm going to take this off. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. It looks so cool! We're just going to see how drenched I get after maybe a minute or two of being outside. I have a flower in my hair, so I'll take that out too. And I have an ankle brace on, so why don't I just take everything out of my hair? My brothers can probably hear me talking to my computer, and they already think there's something wrong with me, so. There's a dog behind me. Oh, I like my hair like this. This is kind of cute. I put hairspray in it, and it stays like that. Ow! I just bit my cheek! That could be... Okay, now that side kind of looks weird. Oh, it stopped storming as bad. It's passing! Oh no! I'm getting my ankle brace off because I have twisted my ankle like 2 or 3 times. So, let's hope I don't trip and fall outside. Oh, it just changed directions. Okay. Oh, look at my dog! Isn't he cute? Okay. Oh my gosh. Why is he so cute? Oh my goodness. Okay. So, I'm going to set this up right here, and I'm going to go run outside, and I'm going to see just how hard it is raining. Oh, it's so cold. It is so cold in here. Oh, and I'm soaking wet. So, I really hope that I'm dripping everywhere. Oh my goodness. I smell like hairspray. Hello, doggies. It's raining pretty hard outside. I really hope you can see me party it up outside because it was rather fun. Anyways, I'm really bored, and that was the whole entire point of this video, to go watch me dance in the rain. And I'm dripping all over the floor right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and go and wrap myself up in a nice cozy towel. I have to go somewhere later, so I probably should fix myself. I'm sorry, that scared you, didn't it? Okay. Toodles!